Hello guys and welcome to this video. This video is from my Twitch channel. I did a little stream about learning the Go language. So right now I'm learning this new language and it's kind of fun, so I do some streams about it. So feel free to join me sometimes. For this video I had a little issue on my mic at the beginning, but I guess you will have the end at least. So I hope you enjoy it and see you next time. I need in fact to create the sum variable, which is not sum anymore, but it's okay, so like that. And let's put some sum here, sums, even sums, because we have several sums. Okay, so we are going to use this make function methods. I still don't know the difference because I didn't learn about it, but I know there is a difference. From my previous learning, on other languages, I think function returns values and methods does not, but we'll see later. I'm not saying that it's the case in Go. I remember learning some strange languages like Ada. Yeah, we had this kind of stuff. Okay, so make. What are we gonna make? We're gonna put the slice. An in slice. Okay. What we want to make? So can we have the? Can we have this? We cannot. That's a shame. I don't know the shortcuts to have the documentation of this, but yeah. Make built-in function allocate and initialize an object of type slice map or gen only. Yeah, like dynamic type, I guess. So we just pass the type and then the size you want, and it will allocate that for us. Great. Okay. We're starting to see the malloc thing. You guys who knows C? Maybe, I don't know. So here we pass the length of numbers, and here we go. So here it's not sum anymore, it's sums, of course. And I think here, as we want to use this make operator, we remove the return value variable here, and we're just going to put it here. Okay, so let's go for it. Return sums. Okay, so let me clear this. Yeah, and let's run test again, and this time it passed. Okay, so there is a way, blah blah blah. You can index slice array with my slice, blah blah blah. Okay, the test should now pass. Okay, so now what we can refactor. Remember, we write the test, we make it fail, then we write some code to pass the test, and when it's passed, then we refactor to have good code. Okay, so let's refactor and let's write some good code. As mentioned, slices have a capacity. If you have a slice with a capacity of 2 and try to do myslice 10, you'll get a runtime error. However, you can use the append function, which takes a slice and a new value, returning a new slice with all items in it. Okay, so what we are basically saying is that we don't need to use this make function that we just learned about. Okay, I'm pretty fine with it. So let's command this. Okay, and then let's write some code. So I still need to have my sums variable, so I'm just going to do var sums as this will be a slice of integers. Oh, you have it. Like, I think it should work, but we don't need this anymore in Golang. So don't put a semicolon. Okay, so here we have our value, then we have this, and instead of using this I value here, because we don't want this I value because we don't know the size of the sums variable before the end, in fact. Okay, so I'm gonna remove this, and instead of doing that, okay, so this also, what we're gonna do is try to append some values. So can we have some documentation about happen? Yeah. So you can see we put the type and then the elements. So in our case we are, no, sorry, we didn't put the type. What did I say? We put the slice. Okay. Sorry. We put the slice here, and of type slice type. So type in our case is integer. So let's go for it. Append. What are we gonna do? Append, yeah. Blah blah blah. We want here a slice. So our slice is this variable. Sums. And then what do we want? Okay, we have an issue. Okay, and then we are going to pass this thing, in fact. Okay, that's pretty good, I think. I really would like to. How can I see the documentation? Implementation from your peak of definition. I don't know what that means in French, but yeah, let's try that, like option F12. So that's the way to do it. Option F12. Oh, that's not what we want to do. Usually it's like F1, but here it's not. I don't know. Final France remain. Control command. Like documentation. Help. Yeah. How can I have help? Let me find. That's so annoying, so I want to find it. Like Vsco display function doc. I want to know how to do it. How to trigger documentation pop-up in Vsco. Yeah, thank you, Stack Overflow. I would like blah blah blah. It's control space. Control space. Oh yeah, maybe. On macOS, I used to do command space a lot because it's the equivalent of the control space in Windows, but not working as command space is the Spotlight utility. So let's try this, like control space. Okay, control space. Oh, great! I like that. Thank you, Stack Overflow. Thank you, Internet. Thank you all. Okay, great. So let's get back to our code. So it should work, basically. It should work. Let's go and run the test. Okay, we passed the test, guys. We passed the test. So yeah, great. This implementation, we are worrying less about capacity. We start with an empty slice and append with the result of sum as we work through the arg. Okay. our next requirement is to change sumall to sumall tails, where it now calculates the total of the tails of each slice. The tail of a collection is all the items apart from the first one ahead. Oh, what is that now? So, what we want, for example, let me show you that. Here, on the right, the first test thing, we have some examples. So, we have these two slices, like 1 and 2 and 0, 9. And what we want is... Okay, yeah, okay, we want to remove the first... Okay, so that's kind of a weird request, but okay. We want to do the sum of this and this without the first element. Okay, so let's go for the test method. Let's write it. Pretty cool, as we are going to get used to writing tests. Is a good thing, I think. So, function test sum all tails. Sorry. Okay, again we pass this testing, blah blah blah. Okay, that's fine. Great, I like that. Then what we got is sum all tails of what? Of slice of integers, and this slice of integer is like 1, 2. Okay, and then we have another slice of integer also, which are this time 0, 9 to take the same as previously. Okay, so that's what we got. What is what we want? What we want is, at the end, we want a slice of integers, I suppose. And then what we want, we said we want the sum of this without the beginning. So we want 2, 9. I think I'm following the tutorial a bit, so maybe we will see that later. But I think this test is not as good as it could be. But like, we have just 2 elements, so we are not even testing that we are doing the sum of anything. So the better thing would be to do like that. I mean, yeah, probably. I think it's fine for now, but yeah, just let's keep that in mind. Later review. Okay, and then we write the same if reflect blah 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 dot deep equal. I like to rewrite this so it can stay in my head for a while. If I just copy paste it, it's not the same. So yeah, p dot hero f is one formatting, and so we got slice, so it's v, but we wanted, what do we want? V. So got want. Okay, so the test is written. Great. So now we can run it and go from there. So yeah, this method is undefined. Fine. Let's define it. So function all tails. Basically it will be kind of the same. Oh yeah, it will be exactly the same function as this one, but with the removing of the first element. So what we're gonna do is, I think, I didn't read the tutorial, but what I think we're gonna do is just remove the first element of our tails, and then try to call this sumall function, because it's already written. We don't want to duplicate this code, I think. Okay. Okay, so oh no, it's not the it's not the way to do it in the tutorial, but I think we could try to do it by ourselves. Yeah, let's try it. Okay. We just need to know how to tail this thing. Okay, so here we're gonna take the same kind of parameters and just copy paste this. Okay. Okay. Going to write that. Okay, yeah, okay. Great. So we are gonna do the same like var. Oh no, I know. Not so simple, I think. Yeah. Oh, it's gonna be fine, I think. Var slices. Okay, so we're just gonna assume that this is gonna be a I'm not sure how to do that because this is a what is it? It's a list of yeah, it's a list of slices probably. So I really don't know how to do that, but okay, if I do slices, is that I see probably something like that. I don't know if it's possible, but I feel like doing something like that. Okay, maybe it's not at all. Yeah, it does not work. Because this is a good to know. This type is a double slice. It's a slice of slice. So right like that. Is it working now? Oh, nice. It's working. Okay, so I'm not sure how to do that, but let's try. We probably should do a loop. Undo. Okay, so we'll just slice here, and this is equal to slices. No, sorry, not slices, it's range slices. Okay, I'm going for some very complex things. I'm not sure what I will do, but maybe it's very simple, but it feels like complex things to me. Okay, range slices. And now, can I do... maybe I can tail. Okay, and I see that to get everything in the slice without the first element, it's something like that. Okay, that's kind of familiar to me. I know Python a bit, so we do things the same way. So okay, I'm fine with that. So fine with tail. I probably should. That's not good at all. This is not slices. This is number to sum. Exactly. Okay, so here I put tail, and what I should do, I think, is something like slices equal Happen what? Happen. We want to happen. What do you want to happen? A slice, of course. Slices. Yeah, great. And then we want to do nothing. In fact, we just want to happen tail. Yeah, I think that's should do it. Something like that. And then at the end of this for loop, we should have our slices with the right thing on it. With a, we should have a slice of 2 slices, and in each slice we should have the first slice without the first element. Okay, it's not clear at all, but yeah, I know what I mean. Just wait and see. I'm not sure at all. So I think now if we return the sum of everything, of slices. Whoa, that's, I don't know at all if this could work or not. Cannot use slices in a type slice int in a want to sum all. Oh crap. So, but this is, I mean, this is fine. So why? So, so I don't know. Kind of blocked here. Because yeah, I know this is not the same thing. Like this is variable number of parameters, and here I'm just giving some slice. In fact, it's not that good. What can I do? I don't know. Maybe it's not possible. I don't know. We can try to search for it. Like give slice as parameters. Go. Yeah. Pass slice as a function argument. Long array and give slices as parameter. Yeah, no. I don't know even what to search. I want to pass a slice of slices. Maybe. I don't know. How to pass a slice to function in Golang, pass slice as a function argument and modify the region. Why pointers to slice are useful and how blah blah blah. That's kind of a tricky thing, and I don't even know if it's possible or not. Yeah, I don't know. I think we should have a look. Oh, that's bad. It was kind of the end of the tutorial. I didn't have a look at the end of the tutorial. Maybe there is the answer on it. I don't know. I don't think so, but They're saying we've used slices and array with integer, but they work with any other type too, including array slice themselves. So you can declare a variable, blah blah blah, if you need to. So basically they are saying that what I wrote here is fine. Okay. By writing more tests to learn from reading the blog post and spaces. Okay. You can try more thing and rerun spicy. And if you try something like convert, oh sorry, don't see my browser. Here it is. I don't want to convert PDF to Word. That's not the topic today. I want to convert slice into parameters. In Go. Oh yeah, I like that. How can I pass a slice as variadic? Variadic? Yeah. Huh. Let's try that. I have a function, blah blah blah. I'm wondering if it's possible to use a slice to populate a list of arguments. Oh yes! It's trying to do exactly the same thing as I'm trying to do. I hope the answer is no, you can't. It's not, sorry. No, you can't. Okay, so yeah. Read the fucking manual. Sorry. If f is a variadic final parameter type t, then within the function the argument is equivalent to parameter blah 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 t. Okay, I need some context here. I'm not sure. So for example, equal args string hello world. Oh, you can pass no. Blah 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 applies and then can be retrieved from the flag package args function. Oh, okay, so we should use arg function, but things to. Oh, not a lot of answers. Never mind. Command, you put a string and some blah blah blah. So you have to extract the command which is found at slice A and then pass the argument with a variadic. Removing the command. Whoa, what is that? Okay, he's not trying to do exactly the same as I'm trying to do, but anyway. Okay, yeah, that's not what I'm trying to do, in fact. Yeah, no. Too bad. Yeah, that's not the... That was close, but it's not. Go unpacking array as arguments. Maybe that. Or maybe we should read the documentation about variadic functions. Probably. Function arguments. Let's try this post. There is a splat operator for unpacking an array as argument. JavaScript, there is a apply function. Is there a way of unpacking an array as function? Okay, that's kind of, yeah. First of all, R is not an array, it is a slice. Right, you act. Right, first of all. You're right. Anyway, you can use a vararg syntax similar to C. Okay, C is very far away from me right now, but fine. So we have this org, blah blah blah. My function are. Oh crap! I can do something like that. Oh, that's great. So let's try. Slice. 1, 2, 3. Oh, what is that? 2, 3. Oh, that's magical. It works. Slices declared but not used. Man, I just use it right here. Do I need to save? No. Whoa, I don't know what to think about that. Because I'm using this variable here. Okay, I know. Something like that would be a lot better. Should we try to run the test like that? Yeah. Wait. Guys, it's working. So let's try to remove, I don't know, maybe, this. Let's put 0 instead. Oh, great. This is working. This is working so well. I'm really proud of this. Like, it's the first time I'm doing something in Go by myself without following the tutorial, and I feel great. So great that I think I will end this here for tonight. Look, our test is passing, so I'm so happy. Maybe just have a look at the end of the tutorial to see if what we did is everything that's said in the tutorial. I'm pretty sure that's not, because we use this pretty great call. I like that. Oh, crap. There was probably the name of this operator somewhere. Go back. Sorry. You can sum as many things as you noting the important blah blah blah. Okay. He or she does not know the name of that. Probably. You can use a slice with the blah 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 notation. God, what is the name of this operator? Splice. It's a splicing operator. I'm pretty sure. Splice operator. No, it's not. I'm sorry, but it's not. So, I don't remember. Okay, so never mind. The spread operator, maybe. That ring a bell. Operator. Spread operator. Like syntax de décomposition in French. Oh God, thank you. This is the name. I'm really gonna write this somewhere in front of me for next time. Maybe I'm gonna do a tattoo of this. Either. That wouldn't be cool. Yeah, not at all. Okay, so the spread syntax, the spread operator. So great, with this spread operator we did some pretty good thing, I think. This is a spread operator to unroll the slice of slices. Yeah, pretty good. Maybe something I could do is add some documentation, but I will probably do that later. And yeah, what we can do is probably write an example here. So we just gonna do that and then go to sleep. Okay. So what? So function. I don't remember. I think we should begin with example, right? Example, blah blah blah. Yeah, exactly. So here we are going to write the example, not in French but in English. Example, sum, all, fails. So how are we gonna call this example? We're gonna put this testing B. Okay, I don't remember how we. Yeah, we don't need this t variable. Why? Why do we need this? Nothing to do with it. It's just a basic simple example. Okay, so here we are doing an example, and I think we are gonna call just our bit blah blah blah. Okay, so we are just gonna do like sums and put some example. Like, should I create some variables or just no? For this time I will do that. I will put a 3 here so we understand well the idea. Okay, so here 9 and maybe a 1 also. Okay, so we understand everything, or maybe a 10. Let's make it a 10. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna print this and put this output comment after for documentation. Okay, so fmt dot println, and we're just gonna print sums. Okay, so you see, I just saved and it added me this fmt dependency, so that's great. And here, what is our output? Our output for that should be something like 3 plus 2, like 5, and then here 9 plus 10, like 19. Okay, so let's just test that our tests are passing, still passing. Okay, we can do like test coverage and see if no, it's not coverage. I don't remember. We did it before, so it's not coverage. Let me go back in my history. It's just cover. Okay, you can see we over 100% of our code, so that's great. And that's it. Maybe, yeah, we can just check the documentation. I think it's godoc -http -60. Sorry. This is not the right command, so I don't remember the command. I think, yeah, sorry, I already have the command here ready. So what did I did wrong? Or the equal maybe. Yeah, I forgot the equal. Crap. Oh yeah, it's already new because I already launched it. I don't know if it's like dynamic. I launched this at the beginning of the stream, so let's go and check out if it's dynamic or not. I don't think so, but okay, so we are calling our local host dear home and 6060. Let's have a look. So here you have the whole Go documentation. In order to have that, at the beginning you could do it because it was embedded in the Go distribution. But right now you need to download this GoDoc utility to to be able to access it. So here I'm just gonna find my yeah, you can see my screen. Great. So I have some project already here. This where is it? This Flowcat project is pretty fun. If you know the lolcat command on Linux, it's written in Ruby, and I basically rewrite this command line command using Go. It's very simple and very cool to do at the beginning when you know a bit of Go but not enough to do things on your own. You just try to replicate this thing and it's fun. Okay, so you can find this on my GitHub. I will probably put the link somewhere if you want to check it. So here I have my documentation for my project, and you can see that we have no race here, so it's not dynamic. Maybe there is some kind of, here at the end, some, I don't know, maybe some watch parameter or something like that. I don't know. So I'm just gonna relaunch this and refresh this. And is not yet complete. Okay, working. Okay, so here we can see our arrays project. Go in it, and we have nothing. That's great. I think I did something wrong, but I don't know what. What the hell is that? Guys, why? Why don't we have any documentation? Oh, I know. That's probably because I didn't document my code. Or maybe because I put this in the sum test file. Probably. Sorry guys. So I'm just gonna put this and put it on. Oh, I'm so tired. Oh no, it's the right file, guys. Oh, what is that? Why it's not working? Because probably I need to put some comments here, like this function. What did we put on the other one? I don't remember. Repeat blah blah blah. Yeah, so let's put some documentation here and see what it does. Basically this will numbers. It's not a good documentation, but it's just for the test. Okay, so let's generate this again. Blah blah blah. We'll scan the whole thing, I think. And we still don't have anything. That's cool. I don't know why. So flow. Let's try, for example, for iteration. Yeah, we have a lot of things. And here, I don't know why, but we have this main package right now. Why do we have this main package? I really don't know. So I think, remember in the tutorial what was the name of the package it took? It's main. Interesting. Interesting. Let's make it sum. The sum package. Like for this one will also be the sum package, because if you had a look at what we did before, we just do some sum function. It's kind of logical to have this. Okay, so let's make this work and then go to bed. Okay, let's search for flow again and arrays. Yay! Okay, so I have my package sum. That was the issue, I think, with the main thing. So if we have a look at this, we have pretty much everything except the example. Great. I don't know what either. So now we have the documentation, which is cool and interesting. So this is going to sum numbers. This is gonna this is gonna sum slice element. It's a very complex function, in fact. I don't know even how to document it. Sum all yes, sum this will sum independently each slice and returns slice with each result. It's not so good, but okay, fine. At least we have some comment. A function name will be used as sum.sumTails by other package, and that stuttered. Consider calling this by all tails. Oh yes, because the name of the package is sum. That's not a problem. Let's generate the doc again. Okay, so here we have our documentation, but we still don't have our examples. I don't know why. Let me try to have them. Some old tails. Where is my example? Oh crap, where is it? Did I put that here? I'm sorry, guys. What did I do here? Oh, I just removed it. Okay. So I think we're fine. If we change the package name here and then run this again. Okay. Fine. Let's reload this. Great, we have our example here. Okay, I like that. So, okay. So I think we're done for tonight. I'm gonna commit this and we'll continue that later. So, thank you for listening, guys. Thank you for being here, and it was a great stream to learn Go. A lot of things to discover, I think. I really like this language. It's very simple and easy to write. It's like C, but easy to write. And I heard that it's so easy as Python, but more performance oriented. So like C or C++, thing like that. But it's really easy to write, and for now it's kind of easy to understand. I love to try some things during the stream beside the tutorial. So yeah, I guess we will continue that later. So thank you for having a look at what I did, and I hope you will find some interest in this language. Thank you guys, and have a good night. Bye bye.